I am your host Abhimanyu and welcome to your own channel Nation Infratech Private Limited. So guys, if you are looking forward to buy a over luxury residential project on a golf course extension road and you didn't get an allotment in MR Urban Oasis and deal of the hour. So guys, this time don't miss the chance to be a part of the most iconic project of the golf course extension road in a sector 66. So first of all, I am just requesting to all my viewers who are watching my video, please do like and subscribe our channel because from your one subscription we got a motivation. हमें तो वहीं से motivation मिलता है. So हम one by one पूरा project cover करेंगे. First we will talking about the location. Second we will talking about the USP of the projects. Third we will talk about the amenities which you are getting here. Fourth we will talking about the brands which is associated with this residential project. And fifth is last, why should you invest in Smart World the Edition. So first guys, हम location के बारे में discuss करते हैं. Location is a sector 66 just surrounded by the affluent neighborhood. So MR has a more than 100 acres of a land bank in a sector 66. If I talking about the projects of the MR which is in a sector 66, MR PTS is there, MR Palm Square is there, MR Palm Drive is there. So उसकी surrounding में Smart World has a 10.75 acres of a land bank. Over on a 10.75 acres, they are coming along with the 3 twin towers. So guys, लोकेशन सेक्टर 66 है. एमआर का अच्छा खासा रेजिडेंशियल सराउंडिंग है वहाँ पे. सो उसके पास में ही ये प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है. सो गाइज मैं बात करूँ 24 मीटर से एंट्रेंस है. द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम द 24 मीटर वाइड रोड दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड एंड दिस इज जस्ट 200 मीटर फार फ्रॉम द गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. सो गाइज हमने लोकेशन की बात करी. लोकेशन इज अ प्रीमियम पॉकेट गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. आज लोगों को यूनिट्स नहीं मिलती इजीली बिकॉज आज स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड एडिशन में वही लोग मेजर आएंगे जिन लोगों को एमआर और डीएलएफ में यूनिट्स नहीं मिली बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ एमिनिटीज एंड स्पेसिफिकेशंस व्हिच यू आर गेटिंग हियर इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो गाइज हमने लोकेशन की बात करी. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट होल प्रोजेक्ट. हम होल प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो दिस इज अ 24 मीटर वाइड रोड विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द गोल्फ कोर्स रोड एक्सटेंशन. सो दिस इज योर एंट्रेंस. आप एंट्रेंस करके जैसे ही लेफ्ट लेंगे दिस इज सराउंडिंग. दीज आर द ट्विन टावर्स. सो 10.75 एकर्स ऑफ अ लैंड बैंक. 10.75 एकर्स में आपको 3 ट्विन टावर्स देखने को मिलेंगे एंड द हाइट ऑफ दीज ट्विन टावर्स इज अराउंड ग्राउंड प्लस 42 स्टोरी and 4 units on each floor. So guys, if I talking about the sizes, so sizes is a 3.5 BHK plus utility and 4.5 BHK plus utility. So 2950 square feet and 3660 square feet. The best part of this towers is that you are getting a 2 penthouses as well. So total आपको 6 towers में around 12 penthouses मिलेंगे. So you can see this is a 24 meter wide road जहाँ से हमने enter किया and the best part of this project is that 10.75 acres में only they are doing a construction in a 5 acres. Rest is a landscaping area and dedicated to the clubhouse. You can see this is a clubhouse. The size of the clubhouse is around 1,25,000 square feet and this is a landscaping area that is open to the sky. The best part of this, you will be surprised to know the kind of amenities which you are getting here. You are getting here a beach park that is a totally different from the other projects on a golf course extension road. You are getting a jogging tracks, yoga pots, amphitheater for the gathering and kids play area, skate park, outdoor gym and barbecue zone. And if I talking about the social amenities, so you are getting here a private theater, party hall, sports bar, business lounge, spa, squash courts, gymnasium and badminton court as well. So guys, don't miss the chance to be a part of this uber luxury residential project. I am just telling you, once you will visit the property and just take a view of a 260-degree AB room and आप डिसाइड करें कि आप कोई प्रॉपर्टी लेनी है नहीं लेनी बिकॉज दिस इज अ रियल डेफिनेशन ऑफ द लग्जरी विच यू आर गेटिंग इन दिस रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट. Now I will tell you the USP of the projects. Why should you invest in Smart World the Edition? Here you are getting a 55 feet and 65 feet long balcony with 9 feet wide deck area. The best thing is that deck area में आपको jacuzzi मिल रही. That is a temperature control jacuzzi. You are getting a infinity terrace pool area. You are getting here a BRV duct AC. You are getting here a air mist purification system because आज गुड़गांव में AQI अराउंड 350 to 400 पहुंच जाती है दिवाली के आसपास. सो आपको यहाँ पे एयर प्यूरिफिकेशन सिस्टम भी मिल रहा है एंड यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग हियर 11.5 फीट की सीलिंग हाइट जो आपके बेडरूम्स एंड लिविंग एरिया में होगी. यू आर गेटिंग हियर सन डेक एरिया एज वेल इन 4 bedrooms, in 4 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. All bedrooms are well connected to the balcony. And the best thing is that this is a low density project. Only 2 projects on a golf course extension road where you got a jacuzzi One is a St. Andreas in a Golf State. Second is a Trump Tower. So guys, don't miss the chance to be a part of this Smartworld 66. Just type hashtag SW66 and send us. Our team will connect you. Guys, now I will tell you about the brands which is associated with this iconic residential project. So Architecture is a Studio Synthesis, that is a Germany, Indian and UK based company. Second is a Club and Common Area Interior Designer is a Grey Matters, that is a Singapore company. Landscaping is designing by the Rad Landscapes, that is a Thailand company. Second मैं बात करूँ sample interiors की, that is done by the Thailand, and the best part of this project is कि sample will be ready till 25 of the December. So you can come and visit the don't miss the chance to be a part of this uber luxury residential iconic project on a golf course extension road. Just type hashtag SW66 and send us. Our team will connect you. And I am requesting to all my viewers who are watching my video, please do like and subscribe our channel, because from your one subscription we got a motivation. Thank you.